Hey guys, what's going on? Retired Navy SEAL Chris Sajnog here, founder of the New Rules of Marksmanship training system. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to train like a Navy SEAL. Now let's go ahead and get started.
Joining me now is retired Navy SEAL sniper Chris Sajnog.
So when it comes to firearms training, or really any training, I've found that many people seem to have the whole process backwards with firearms training. That generally means, hey, I want to learn how to shoot a gun, so I'm going to go and buy a gun, and then I'm going to go to the range, and I'm going to start shooting until I magically get better. And I've found that's really not the way to get better at anything. So I want to try to teach you the proper way to train, and I do that in a series of 3 things. And those 3 things are education, equipment, and experience. So the first thing is education. Before you go out and buy your gun, there's a lot you can learn about the types of gun you might need, or maybe if you even need a gun at all. And that is critical, because if you just go buy a gun, it may not be what you need, and you may be wasting time and money in doing that. And the next thing you want to do with that education is to train your mind. So I always talk about doing meditation, visualization, positive thinking, all of these things. You want to make sure that your mind and your body are prepared for when you do decide to get a firearm and start training. So next up is your equipment. Now, yes, this is when you're going to go get your gun, and you've already thought about it because you've educated yourself, but now you're going to go get your gun and you're going to start working with that and training properly. Hopefully you're using the New Rules of Marksmanship training system to do that. It's going to make it a lot easier, but however you do it, this is when that should come into play. With law enforcement and military, this is also when you're going to start working with your gear and different communications equipment and all these different pieces of equipment that are going to help you to be able to do your job correctly. The last one now is experience. So you've got your education, you've got your equipment, you know how to use it, but now we need some experience. And this can come from situational training, maybe some force-on-force training, or real-world experience. And this is the time you want to get after you know how to use all your equipment and you're mentally prepared with your education. Obviously, you do it at the end of this whole cycle. So again, make sure you get your education, then you get your equipment, and then go out there and get some experience. So those are the 3 things. I hope this has helped you out. And until next time, keep paving your path to perfection. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed watching that video. And if you did, I put together my top 3 videos for learning to shoot at home, and I want to give those to you absolutely free. Now, all you have to do is click the iCard that just popped up, or you can go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I will send you not only those top 3 videos that I have for learning to shoot at home, but I will also send you a free PDF copy of my New Rules of Marksmanship manifesto. Click the card, go to chrissajnog.com/free videos so I can send you those videos. Keep paving your path to perfection, guys.